I have this photo and I want to change the background of this photo. What I'm going to do is make sure the photo is selected like so. All these lines are showing. And I'm going to click on edit and it brings up this tray for me. And you see here it says select area. If I click on this arrow here, it says foreground and background. So if I click on background, it has highlighted the background for me to do whatever it is I want to do with it. So I have the option to either remove the background or generate a new background. So I'm going to click on BG generator and I'll describe what background I want it to generate for me. But I'm going to say inspire me. And it gave me this inspiration because I don't have any inspiration off my head. And I'm going to say generate. It analyzes the photo and gives you 4 options based on the prompt you gave it. So this is the first option it gave me. This is the second option. This is the third option. And this is the fourth option. If you don't like what you saw, you can write your prompt here again and say generate again. Or if you still want it to say try this background out and generate more like this, you can say generate again. I think I like this background. When you click on done, it's going to replace the original image. I offer a 1-month personalized coaching on how to use Canva. Send me a message on Instagram if you want to take your Canva skills to the next level. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.